Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first real video, and today I will be reviewing my own DIY electric skateboard. This skateboard has a cruiser deck with 83mm wheels and 7-inch trucks. It's quite smooth on most roads. The short deck is great for portability and only weighs 14 pounds. This sport's performance is a little more than mid-range. It tops out at about 28 miles per hour and has a good amount of torque to get you there. The range is about 11 to 14 miles and I weigh about 140 pounds. Here's a drag race between my board and a boosted mini. What powers this thing is two 50-55 motors with a dual ESC and some powerful batteries. These two 6000 mAh 5S batteries in series is what gives this thing life. What I use to charge these LiPos is a Venom Pro Duo charger. This charger can fully charge these batteries in under 2 hours. I 3D printed my own ESC and battery enclosure using Velcro straps to hold the batteries in. What I use to 3D print this stuff is my Ender 3 Pro and my monoprice Select Mini. Before I had 3D printers, I used kitchen Tupperware as my battery and ESC enclosures. They worked well for a little bit until I started seeing wear and tear on the batteries. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Come on, there's probably a car coming.
Yeah.